So in this geometric design, what actually is important? The various factors which affect the geometric design. Now, which are that factors? First one is the cross sectional element, second one is the side distance, and the next one is the alignments, that is the various alignment, horizontal and vertical. Now, what is horizontal alignment? Horizontal alignment is nothing but the horizontal curves. And what is the vertical alignment? Vertical alignment means your slope. Okay, slope or gradient. So firstly we need to study the various factors which are affecting the geometric design. So geometric design deals with the dimensions and layout of visible features of the highway. Now, what are the visible features? Visible features means nothing but your pathway, your right of way, your camber, your pavement, then shoulder, then side slopes, then side drainage, then building line, then control line, then formation level. So all these have certain dimensions, and these dimensions and this layout we study in the geometric design for the highway. Now, whether it is highway or it is railway, what is the most important thing? The geometric design is the most important thing. And this geometric design fulfills the requirements of the driver and the vehicle for comfort, safety, and efficiency. Proper geometric design will always help in the reduction of accidents, or it will also reduce the severity for that accidents. Now, what are the various objectives for the geometry design? What are the various aims and objectives? To maximize the comfort, safety, and economy of all the facilities provided. Second one, to provide the efficiency in traffic operation. Third one, provide maximum safety at the reasonable cost, means safety feature. Fourth one is to minimize the environmental impact, means to reduce the pollution, to reduce the unnecessary friction between tire surface and road, to reduce the unnecessary efforts. So all these things we need to consider while the geometric design. Also, we need to ensure that minimum trees are to be cut, or the various environmental hazards that are going to happen with your construction of the roadway or railway. So all these things we need to consider. Also, we need to consider the various elements, and that elements we are going to see one by one. So all these elements means nothing but the factors. So which are these factors? Design speed. Design speed means the speed for which you are designing your roadway or pathway or pavement. That speed, that desirable speed is nothing but the design speed. Second point is the topography. Now, what is the topography? Topography is nothing but the top view or exterior features. So this exterior features is nothing but the topography, or what we see from the top, that is the top view. So that is nothing but the topographical features. Now the hills may be there, valley may be there, river may be there, water body may be there. So all these things are your topographic features. Now you need to avoid the river, you need to avoid the water body. If you not able to avoid the river, then you need to construct a bridge on that river. So in this way, this type of topographical features affect the geometric design. If the mountainous areas are there, then your width, or what you can say, your formation level width get reduces. So as per the IRC recommendations for the construction of the highways, you can construct a smaller width of road in the mountainous region. So that provision is given by the IRC. So again, this is nothing but a topographical feature. Third one is the traffic features. Now what are the traffic feature? Whatever the traffic count that you have, what you can say, considered, whatever the MSA that you have considered. What is the MSA? Million standard axles. Whatever the vehicular load that you have considered, that vehicular load will be considered during the traffic count and your traffic studies. So this is also the important factor which affect the geometric design. Then fourth one is the environmental factor. Now which are the environmental factors? Trees are there, forest land is there, river body is there, water body is there. Again, these are the environmental factors. So you cannot cut the trees in the forest areas. So all these things are there. You cannot divert the flow of water, natural flow of water. So all these things are there. If certain valley is there, you need to again construct the bridge over there. But constructing the bridge, you need to ensure that it will not affect the environmental feature, or it will not be hazardous to the environment. Then fifth one is the economical factors. Economical factor, how much is the cost of construction? If what you can say, a hilly part is there, if a mountain is there, and if you propose there a tunnel, now what will be the cost of construction for that tunnel? That matters. So is